Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big living boom cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. Done roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shoot up the heart. Down shooting the nigga that touch. Let's do it. Hot little boy now.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So today is actually the very next day from whenever I asked y'all, should I get my cats done? And I'm getting ready to go get that done now. I'm excited. I'm ready to hear how it sounds. I done heard somebody else's in. It sounds real good. But y'all know I got my mids and my resonators taken off. So he only had his mids off. So we're going to see how that sounds. It's basically straight pipe. But like I said, I'm excited. I'm looking for loud over speed. Remember that, y'all. Well, right now I'm looking for loud over speed, you know. Maybe further on down the road, you know, I might be looking for more speed. But like I said, I just want to be louder at the moment. And I'm about to hit the road. I'm going to turn the camera on whenever I get there. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like this video. And right now, drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Also, this video is sponsored by Keontae J Hicks. Check him out down below in the description. His Instagram and his website is in the description. If you need anything done to your credit repair, credit build, whatever you need, check him out. He's legit. And let him know that Slime Pack sent you so you can get the best deals.
That's the first one that you break through. After that, you got cotton in between the walls. You got a third wall, a second wall right after that. That's the first layer of wall that you go through. And you got a second one that you have to go through. That's the cotton that's in between it.
Oh, they stuck this.
I'm gonna blow it out so there's no cotton
Okay.
or like debris.
So I'm out here in Dubai at somebody's little personal shop they got in their garage, and he do everything. He just did the first side. He getting ready to do the next side. He getting it out fast and quick, no problem. Y'all, I'm ready to hear how this gonna sound. And also, listen, don't come in the comment section telling me about no warranty. I don't want to hear nothing about none of that. I already know this. Don't say nothing about that in the comment section. I'm gonna block you. Go ahead.
So you get 2 of these. They come in a pack. There's a pair. One of them, the top one, you're going to want to drill because that's where the O2 sensor is going to go through. But if you kept it this way, it's going to get stuck at that wall. So that's why you have to drill so the O2 sensor can have enough room to go all the way in and seat it. And this will be at the top or the bottom piece that goes into the pipe itself. And there you won't get any check engine lights or codes, I guess you can say, without a tune. So you have to have no worries about that.
Right.
So the reason, like I said, you want to drill, because see how this little piece right here, if you didn't drill, you'd run into this problem. It wouldn't seat all the way in. So you're stuck. So that's why you want to drill the top one that's going to go to this one. Now it seeps all the way in smoothly too. Just enough where it can still reach, get the airflow detection.
He's working real quick because he's working by himself. He ain't got no lift or nothing. He just got it on jacks and stands. He already took them all off, gutted them, put the sensors on. He get ready to put them back on, and I'm ready to hear how this gonna sound. He didn't do it. I'm ready to dry it now. would have downshifted right there. It's sensitive, ain't it?
I was like, what the fuck? It got me right there. I forgot you said you had.
Yeah, that pedal box.
Yeah.
Give them a little rundown of what you did.
All we did today was we took off the mid pipes, gutted out the cats for that deeper growl, I guess you can say, without worrying about engine codes. With the Fowlers you get from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, you get 2 each, so 4 total, just 2 packages. You want to drill out the very top one that the O2 sensor goes in, because then it won't fit if you don't drill it out. It's going to be a 3/8 drill bit is the one you want. Straightforward, you just unbolt the 4 bolts that's holding the headers to the mid pipes, and then the 2 bolts in the rear from the exhaust. Take it down, gut it out, make sure you blow it out or suck it up, whatever, the material, so it's clean, so there's no residue going back to the engine bay or the engine block itself. Other than that, it's a straightforward thing. Bolt it back together, and that's it. I mean, you save a lot more money instead of buying $450 mid pipes when you can just do this. And
Since it's only cost like $6.
Yeah, $6. And if you do it yourself, you can do it inside the garage like I just did on jack stands. Easier with a lift, but it's doable. Took me about 2 hours to do because the exhaust, depending on how old the car is too, just all the rust and stuff like that, you're gonna have to use WD-40 to take it off.
So they got to let the car cool off.
Yes, let the car cool off. If you just got done driving it, the mid pipes with the cats in there get very, very hot. So you have to let that cool off for about, I'll say 15-20 minutes. You can start undoing the bolts to save some time. Start drilling out the Fowlers, and that'll be it right there. And then you can start knocking it out the way. It sounds a lot better. It has more airflow going through, so it's better for the engine. There's no tune required. That's why you use the Fowlers. But if you do plan on doing like long tube headers, then don't do this, because then you're gonna get mid pipes either way. That when you order long tube headers, this is just something that you want for that better exhaust note.
Something quick.
Something quick.
Cheap.
And you'll get noticed wherever you go. Believe me, you'll get noticed.
Hey man, I appreciate that. You want to shout out your Instagram?
My Instagram is El Diablo Rojo 50. I have a Mustang personally. It's in the shop right now. I wish it was here. I could show y'all. But
you did have a Mopar now.
Yeah, I did have a Dodge Charger. It's on my Instagram still. All the stuff I've done to it, quarter mile times, pictures of like what suspension I went with, shocks, what rims, stuff like that. It's all on there on my Instagram. And it was a Carnage theme I did, so it's sold somewhere in North Carolina. So I don't know who has it now.
Hey, they might be watching my channel.
So I went with Ford this time. I might go back to Mopar down the road, but if anything, it'll be a Hellcat. It won't be anything lower.
Right.
But other than that, that's it.
Y'all listen, I forgot to hook my camera up there whenever I first got in because I was so excited. But oh my God, just even whenever I got in the coast that I ain't even hit the gas, you could instantly hear and feel the difference. It sounds real good. You know, I'm trying to hit it, make sure I don't get no check engine light. Oh my God.